Rain or shine clinched the top seed in the PBA Commissioner's Cup playoffs after a hard-fought 106-99 overtime win over Meralco on Sunday night at the Smart-Araneta Coliseum. The Elasto Painters survived a furious rally by the Bolts to improve to 9-1 win-loss, sealing their place in the No. 1 seed in the quarterfinals, armed with twice-to-beat advantage against the 8th seed. Reggie Johnson finished with 21 points and 18 rebounds, including a triple to start off overtime for the Elasto Painters, who won their 6th straight game to move ahead in a 4-team race for the 2 twice-to-beat spots. Maverick Ahanmisi scored 20 points, while Chris Tiu delivered 13 points for the Elasto Painters, who led by as many as 18 points but almost got beaten to the wire by the gritty Bolts.